Yeah, I'm just wiring in me techniques deck, guys. Thought I'd show you what I'm doing here. Basically, just getting the dust out. This is an d202 direct drive deck. Got a massive platter, really heavy. Yeah. What I'm using there is just watered down isopropyl alcohol. Let's just get the shit off. Slip that on. Look at this. Focus in on it. Which is an original, guys. Technics 270C. I'll tell you what, best sounding cartridge I've ever listened to. And I've listened to a few. Just for the cartridge there, you're probably talking 50 quid now. The whole thing like that, 100 quid. Just for that. Anyway, all we're doing with this is pushing that in. All I'm looking for here is just about right. With the tracking force, I don't weigh it or nothing, or even use that scale. I just do it. I just know it. I know how much pressure should be there. years of doing it, I guess. One hand up. Suitcase player. Just going to quickly dab a bit of this isopropyl alcohol just over the diamond. I just wired this up, guys. Got my Pioneer amp on the bottom, Technics double tape, and my one deck there. Plug it in, see if it works. Time to fire it up.